Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily relationship message, Capricorn. I'll be picking one card, guys, from this deck for your message, for your detailed love reading. I have the pick a card love reading that will follow this daily energy, so you can watch that if you want more clarity in your situation, guys. So let's see what is the card here for you. Between Worlds, Capricorn. So, with this card, the message for you in your situation is that, guys, in this relationship, this is a time to explore the new energy between you and another. It is not a moment for certainty, but rather for discovery and curiosity. You don't yet know if this will last forever, so allow yourself to explore who you are and what is reflected back to you. This relationship is meant to educate you about yourself. What do you need? What do you like or dislike? What values are important to you? You are in a critical phase of your relationship that is not to be dismissed or hurried. So, that is the message for you all, guys, Capricorn, and that is a reading for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want a more detailed love reading, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily relationship message, Aries. So if you want a more detailed reading, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading, Aries, that will come right after this message for you all, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship message. Loyal heart, such a beautiful card here, guys. With this card, it just means that maybe this person you are in connection with, they may be your karmic destiny. Your partnerships, friendships, and romantic relationships all have many qualities in common right now. Honest devotion, faithfulness, and a loyal heart are being shown to you. Are you as loyal in return? Now is the time for heartfelt commitments, Aries. Such a beautiful card and a message for your relationship and trusting in divine protection. So that is the message with this card, guys. Aries, for your daily message. If you want a more detailed reading for your love situation, you can watch that pick a card that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. Whichever pile you want to choose, you can choose the pile, guys. Before that, think of the questions that you have in your mind regarding your situation. Close your eyes, be silent for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. I hope this reading resonates. So I will start with the first deck after a few seconds of silence, guys, so you can meditate about your situation now, guys. Okay guys, now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck for your situation. So these cards may answer your situation, guys, whatever questions you have about this connection. So for those who have chosen this deck, these are the cards here. So let's see what are the cards. King of Wands in reverse, Chariot, Queen of Cups. So with these cards in your situation, guys, with this person in this connection, you are in a phase, you are going towards that growth, positive changes in this relationship. Both of you are understanding the needs of this connection and you are having that unwavering faith and confidence on each other, and you know what you need to do and what is the right action, what you should do today to make this relationship work, and you are progressing in a positive way in this connection, and your intuition is guiding you towards this person. You in your heart of hearts you know that this is the right person, and you feel really confident when you are with them, and you feel uh, really safe and secure when you are with this person. You have that confidence and that intuition guiding you towards some kind of attraction that is not, that cannot be explained. So inexplicable attraction is there towards this person. Something is pushing you towards them. And I also see that maybe for some of you, this person has a rigid set of views or ideas about what how they should be, and they follow it strictly. And maybe because of that they may appear as a very severe person. But I also see that sometimes that may work against this connection, but they are following something that is good for themselves and for the good of others. So there is nothing wrong if they suggest certain things. You can consider those views or those ideals, guys. That is also what I see. And maybe even though some stressful things are there in this connection, I see that you are um, trying to overcome all that. You are tasting success over all that obstacles or some kind of arguments or whatever negative things that you are facing in this connection. So you are able to establish that proper deep meaningful connection with this person. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Maybe in this connection you both have that positive bond with each other, and you are working, and you have the desire to work for this relationship, desire to be with this person. That may be the reason for these cards, guys. So that is the reading with these cards for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So let's start with the second deck for those who have chosen this deck. Let's see what are the cards. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, guys, you can think about it, and I will turn these cards now for those who have chosen this deck. It's Ace of Spheres in reverse, Hermit in reverse, and Nine of Stars. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe this person you are in connection with, something is blocking their vision, maybe the way they perceive this connection, and they have lot of concerns about themselves. They are too concerned about themselves. Their selfishness may be the reason that they are not able to see your worth, and they are not able to see the role you play in their lives. Whatever help or whatever you have done for them, whatever way you have supported them, they are not able to acknowledge your role or acknowledge your place in their life, because they are quite selfish, guys. And you may feel lonely or anxious because of that, or they themselves are anxious. They have a low self esteem, so they are unable to have that meaningful connection with you guys, and they have that lack of strength to stand for themselves and voice out what they truly feel. Or it may be your energy, guys, towards that person, or their energy towards you. And there are people also, maybe someone from your family or their family, talking behind them, gossiping about them. So that is also affecting their spirit. So they feel really bad whenever they are with you. They have some kind of a guilty feeling. They it looks like they are doing some mistakes. So something is affecting them, guys. So that is also what I see here with these cards. So some kind of negative impacts out there because of people talking behind them and their own selfishness. They just want to spend time alone. They are trying to avoid any meaningful connection, meaningful relationship with you. So again, uh, the way they perceive you, way they see you or this connection is quite different. That may be the reason for things going downhill in this connection, guys. And I also see that maybe they are in a good position in their life, in their career. They are doing really well. Because of that, they are enjoying people's support and appreciation. So they are not concentrating so much on this relationship. They get their happiness because of that, because of how people are towards them in their work, and they have that contentment in that area of life. So they are not looking for this emotional satisfaction through you, guys. So that is also what I see. That again may be the reason that they are not putting in enough efforts for this connection. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.